Assalamu alaikum. I am Delower Sarker, a photographer and a student of computer science and engineering. Today I am going to share about myself. So welcome to my video resume. Currently I am studying computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I have completed my higher secondary certificate from Researcher Munshi Abdurrahman Public College with GPA 5. I have also completed my secondary school certificate from Torikan Debar Das Madrasa High School with also GPA 5. My study have helped me growing in logical thinking and teamwork. I have been working as a photographer since 2019, covering social events, concert and community events. I also edit photos and videos using tools like Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom and Illustrator. I enjoy programming and have experience in C, C++ and HTML. I enjoy learning new skills and working on creative and new projects. I have a strong skill in teamwork, time management, and communication. I can work under pressure and try to give my best. I'm also a multilingual person, including Bangla, English, and Hindi. I'm excited to explore new opportunities where I can grow and use my skills. Thank you for watching my video resume.